Our planet brims with diversity, filled with creatures great and small. Among them, a remarkable reptile claims the spotlight today. Meet the chameleon. Chameleons are part of the lizard family. There are more than 160 known species, each captivating and unique. Famed for changing colors, chameleons don't change color to match their surrounding, but to communicate their moods.
Did you know? The world's smallest chameleon, the Brooksia micra, can sit on your fingertip, measuring a staggeringly petite 15 millimeters. Compare this to the Malagasy giant chameleon, which can stretch beyond 27 inches. Size really does vary.
Most chameleon species are found on the island of Madagascar.
Chameleons have eyes that can move independently of each other, giving them a full 360-degree view around their bodies.
On average, a chameleon's tongue can stretch to 1.5 times its body length.
They've evolved zygodactyl feet. Each foot has 2 forward-facing toes and 2 backward-facing toes, giving them a firm grip on branches.
Despite their marvelous appearances, chameleons have a relatively short lifespan of around 2 to 3 years.
Chameleons can swivel their eyes to look in 2 different directions at once.
The open pockets of bone in their skulls make them excellent climbers.
Their famous color-changing ability arises from specialized cells called chromatophores beneath their skin.
Not all chameleons lay eggs. Some species give birth to live young, like the Jackson's chameleon. Chameleons generally eat insects, but larger species are known to consume small birds and reptiles.
Their diet can often influence their color. Insects can contribute yellow tones, while a diet of birds might result in a slightly pink hue. Chameleons don't have external ears or eardrums. However, they are not entirely deaf and can detect sound frequencies ranging between 200 and 600 Hz.
The pineal gland in chameleons, often referred to as the third eye, detects light, aiding them in their color transformations and temperature regulation.
Each chameleon species has a unique pattern of crests or horns on their head. The Parsons chameleon, one of the longest species, doesn't reach maturity until 2 years old, an unusually long period for reptiles.
Chameleons use color changes to intimidate potential rivals and attract mates. They have incredibly sharp vision, enabling them to discern small insects from a considerable distance.
Chameleon eggs take a long time to hatch. The eggs of some species can take upwards of 24 months before they're ready to hatch.
Chameleons can't generate their body heat and rely on the warmth of their surroundings to regulate their temperature.
They have a slow, distinctive gait, the chameleon walk, that aids in camouflage.
Males are more vibrantly colored compared to females. Their diet primarily consists of insects, but some prefer flowers, while others are omnivorous.
Chameleons' eyes have a 10 times higher magnification than the human eye. They have 5 layers of special cells underneath their skin that control their color transformations. Chameleons are solitary animals, and except for mating, they prefer to live alone.